Hey everybody, today I'm talking about Chart Doctor, an interactive quiz platform for day trading that I created for chart raters. Now, whether you're trading Forex, stocks, crypto, it's not going to matter. This is applicable to all. And the reason I created what I call Chart Doctor is to help you fix your ability to chart, hence the name Chart Doctor. And my main kind of goal with this program was to help spread knowledge and awareness. I teach everything I do on YouTube for free. And throughout the years, I've been constantly asked, hey, can you make interactive quizzes? Can you create and develop some type of quiz system that will help me learn? People, they go over the material, but they really want those concrete answers. They really want to say, like, what is a hold level? This is what it is. It is answer X. Is this true or false? Yes. Okay, I understand this topic. And they move on. Now, I myself spent 11 years in university, so I understand how cumbersome quizzes can be and things like that. And I really wasn't happy with the interactive quiz platform that you see online. It was kind of just this rinse repeat model where you pick A through D or A, B, C, D, or E. There you go. A, B, C, D, E. You pick through A to E. Usually E is all the above or none of the above. You know, another question is either A and B. And it really just doesn't feel like a rewarding way to learn. And it really doesn't feel like it sticks with people either. I feel kind of that people, they take these quizzes and they're just left with maybe a 5% increase and nothing more. So my idea was to reinvent the way we take interactive quizzes. So I created a game out of it. In day trading, one of the most critical things that we have to do is multi-process. We're not there figuring out some big, long algorithm that exists from top to bottom where you have to put all your processing power down one path and you have to figure things out over time. No, in trading markets, day trading, crypto stocks, Forex, you have to do a bunch of multi-processing all at once. You have to think, here's a level, here's a trend, price is going to hit my hold level. It went through it to a reverse level. It's now floating the trend, or it's floating the wick. It's now creating a reverse level. There's so much that happens so fast, and it's not this big, massive algorithm that you have to kind of figure out in your head. It's a ton of multi-processing, little amounts of information that you have to calculate all at once. And I recognize this very early in my day trading career. No matter what I was trading, whether, again, it was stocks, Forex, or crypto, it's all the same. I noticed that you kind of have to be on the fly instantly in the moment, and you have to be processing these decisions very quickly. So I wanted to create a quiz platform that would reflect that and allow people to train that real world environment, but with knowledge. So it was a perfect marriage of taking hardcore knowledge and blending it with instant decision making across a multitude of different decision points. And that idea founded into what I call Chart Doctor. Now, Chart Doctor is kind of like this simple but beautiful game, as you want to think about it, a game or an interactive quiz system where you have 3 different blocks of information. And all 3 of those blocks of information have a timer on them. They have 30 seconds, depending on the mode you select. You might select hardcore mode, you might select speed run mode, you might just select normal mode, or you might want to compete against others for MMR and cash rewards and select our competitive mode. And you have a timer in the bottom corner. And so you have one panel here, and then a third panel here, or on this side of the hand, doesn't matter. 3 panels, they all have a counter in the bottom corner, and it's all a quiz system that you have multiple choices in each panel. So you hit start, your 3 panels pop up, the timers start counting down, and you need to answer questions as fast as possible. And this emulates day trading in a nutshell. You are trying to do multi-processing accurately under the gun of a timer. So it was this beautiful idea where we have 3 panels all going at once, 3 questions to answer all at the same time with timers. And if those timers hit 0, you lose points. If you get a wrong answer, you lose points. If you get a right answer, you get points. And no matter what one of those sequences happen, the next thing that happens, like a game of Tetris, a new block comes and falls in with a new timer. Now, this is going to have a new 30-second timer, and it's a new question. So maybe you've spent 10 seconds to answer the first question, while a new block is going to drop in with a new set of questions, resetting that timer to 30 seconds. But hold on, your other 2 blocks are counting down. You've now got 20 seconds on the other 2 questions. So now you have to be strategic. So now we add an element of strategy to this thing. And that comes in where you think of risk management, mental analysis, comparative analysis, the mental analysis of having to keep your cool when these decisions are happening fast, snap, snap, bang. You've got blocks dropping, timers going. I need to keep my focus, stay calm, think, process. Now you've got mental analysis being trained. You've got your technical and comparative analysis being trained by having to pick the correct answer on each of these. And now you have risk that you have to train as well. Oh no, I've only got 20 seconds on each of these two panels. Which one should I do? Which one do I know is the easier one to complete? Okay, let me assess which one is less risk to answer because I know that answer. Let me answer that one. It only took me 5 seconds. Good. I clicked that. I got that answer complete. Awesome. I got 25 seconds left on my left panel. Whew, I can breathe there. I just finished this one. A new block dropped in with a new set of questions. I got 30 seconds there. Uh-oh. I've only got 15 seconds left on this question that I don't know the answer to. So now I have to go full speed, pedal to the metal, process that final question. I've got a full 15 seconds, but if I take that full 15 seconds, I've only got 15 seconds for that question that just dropped in 2 blocks ago that I haven't even read yet. So it really starts to combine all these fun elements of learning how to and putting in practice of what it looks like to learn day trading at the highest level while training every single marquee of analysis that we do: risk assessment and analysis, comparative analysis, where you're comparing the events of the higher level technical analysis, which leads into technical analysis, mental analysis, which is the ability to have a cool head and keep calm and do all the things you would have to do in a mental analysis, an emotional standpoint, and logical decision making, procedural analysis, everything that happens before your moves happen. So it's literally training every single section of technical analysis while turning it into an interactive quiz game, while having a lot of fun doing it. And if you're really good and you want to compete for cash prizes, you can in our competitive mode, and you can climb our ranking system, get rewarded every month. Finish first place for the month, here's a bag of cash. Finish second place, hey, you don't get a bag of cash, but here's a few bars of silver or something for you. We are rewarding players for participating against each other, giving them special titles, badges, and in the future we are building upon our Chart Doctor platform by offering co-op mode, tournaments, section and a segment into esports, the ability to have coaches work with you on it. We are, and various other features that I won't mention in this video because they're too kind of exclusive and they haven't been announced yet for public and still in testing. But there's a ton of development and a ton of new features coming out for Chart Doctor. But for now, just enjoy how beautiful it is on our alpha launch, which is coming soon. And if you haven't seen the skill tree video, go check it out. If you haven't subscribed, liked, and done all that good stuff for the video, subscribe, like, and follow. Do that for Chart Doctor not for Chart Doctor, for Chart Raiders and my Cotton Candy channel. And make sure you check out our white paper video, our coin launch video of Raid, and all the other stuff we got going on, including our soundtrack and the other various medias we have on the Chart Raiders channel. And we'll see you on the next one.